Imagine a man who started with dreams and built the biggest bank in the world. Today, we are going to learn about JP Morgan, the person who created JPMorgan Chase. His story is full of lessons about hard work, smart decisions, and big dreams. Let's begin this exciting journey. John Pierpont Morgan, also known as J.P. Morgan, was born in 1837 in Hartford, Connecticut, USA. Father, Junius Morgan, was a banker, and young John grew up learning about money and business. As a child, he was curious and loved learning. His father sent him to the best schools in the U.S. and Europe. This education gave him the tools he needed to succeed later in life. When J.P. Morgan was young, he learned about the importance of discipline and hard work. His father would often teach him about how banks work and how people use money to build businesses. This helped J.P. Morgan understand the world of finance from a very early age. J.P. Morgan started working as a banker in his father's business. He learned how to invest money and help businesses grow. His first big success came when he helped companies in the railroad industry. Railroads were the most important way to travel and transport goods during that time, so this was a very smart choice. J.P. Morgan became known as someone who could solve problems and make smart financial decisions. He wasn't afraid to take risks, but he always made sure to study every detail before making a move. This skill made him very successful in his early career. J.P. Morgan had earned a reputation as one of the smartest and most reliable bankers in America. He started his own banking firm, which later became J.P. Morgan & Co. His company helped businesses get the money they needed to grow. For example, he helped build railroads, steel companies, and even the electrical industry. One of his biggest projects was working with Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb. J.P. Morgan believed in Edison's ideas and helped him start a company to bring electricity to homes and businesses. This was a revolutionary step that changed the world forever. Morgan's home in New York City was the first private residence to be lit entirely by electricity. This showed his faith in new technologies and his vision for the future. His willingness to invest in ideas that seemed risky at the time helped pave the way for modern innovations. There was a financial crisis in the United States. People were scared that banks would run out of money, and many businesses were about to fail. J.P. Morgan stepped in to save the day. He brought together the biggest bankers and convinced them to work together to solve the problem. Morgan's leadership during this crisis showed everyone how important he was in the financial world. He became a hero because he saved the economy from collapsing. This event also showed the need for a stronger banking system, which later led to the creation of the Federal Reserve System in 1913. J.P. Morgan was not just a banker, he was a builder. Believed in making businesses stronger by merging them together. One of his most famous mergers was the creation of U.S. Steel, the first billion-dollar company in the world. Combined several smaller steel companies into one giant business. This made the steel industry more efficient and powerful. Morgan also worked on creating large and stable banks. Over time, his company merged with others to form JPMorgan Chase, which is now the biggest bank in the world. Another significant merger was when J.P. Morgan helped create General Electric, GE. By combining smaller electrical companies, he helped form one of the most important corporations in history. GE went on to become a leader in technology and innovation. J.P. Morgan was not only a businessman, but also a lover of art and culture. He collected thousands of books, paintings, and rare manuscripts. He believed that art was an important part of human life and wanted to share his collection with the world. Today, his collection is housed in the Morgan Library and Museum in New York City. It is a place where people can see beautiful works of art and learn about history. This shows that J.P. Morgan's impact was not just in business, but also in enriching society. J.P. Morgan's life is full of valuable lessons that inspire us even today. He showed that education is crucial for success by using his knowledge to make smart decisions. His hard work and dedication helped him build a powerful business empire. Morgan also taught us the importance of taking smart risks. He studied every detail before making big moves. He believed in helping others succeed, as he often supported businesses and people with great potential. During tough times, such as the Panic of 1907, his strong leadership brought solutions to complex problems. Morgan's support for new industries like electricity demonstrated his vision for investing in the future. Beyond business, his love for art and culture showed that success is not just about money, but also about creating beauty and preserving history. Today, J.P. Morgan's work did not stop when he passed away in 1913. His ideas and the company he built continued to grow. Today, J.P. Morgan Chase is the largest bank in the world. It helps millions of people with their savings, loans, and investments. The bank is also involved in helping small businesses and supporting communities around the globe. J.P. Morgan Chase also invests in new technologies, just like J.P. Morgan did during his time. The bank focuses on innovation to provide better services for its customers. From digital banking to global partnerships, it continues to lead the way in the financial world. J.P. Morgan's journey shows us that with knowledge, hard work, and determination, anything is possible. Whether you dream of starting a business, becoming a leader, or helping others, you can learn from his story. Remember, big things often start with small steps. Who knows? One day, your story might inspire the world too.